Hi, I'm Brian Weber with Weber Automotive. We service import vehicles, domestic vehicles, cars, and light trucks. We're looking for a great tire technician, someone that prides him or herself on doing great work, tires, alignments, undercar work. But listen, there's always stuff to learn. Cars are changing, and there's a lot of different needs that come into the shop. And if you want to learn, we're a great place to show you how to do other things. There's a lot of shops that you could go work at as a tire technician or any type of technician. Why would you come to work for Weber Automotive? Because we have the best culture of any shop around. We've got a fantastic team, great team environment. We do company breakfast and lunches once a week provided by us. And we get to talk about what's going on in the shop, in your lives, and it's a supportive team environment. Everybody respects one another. We care about each other. Weber Automotive is the best at everything we do. We also want to be the best at tires, and we're looking for somebody that's going to help us get there. If you love cars, you love working with your hands, you like working with good people, clean environment, Weber Automotive is the place you need to be. Come join us.